DJM TV.
My betalicious person, I hear no good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when you take the watch your show. This na DJM TV daily news update. That your one-stop channel where they give you all the better gist them, breaking news, happening stories all around Nigeria and all over the world. That person be like say, once you need to get better update and information, you know say now here, that be your one-stop channel. Now, EFCC don't give bank workers June 1st as deadline to declare their assets for una. The executive chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), Mr. Bawa, don direct say make all operators for the Nigerian financial system, especially bankers dem, make dem declare their assets on or before 1st of June 2021. The oga of the EFCC tok say dis one na move in line with the Bank Employee Declaration of Assets Act 1986, wey be part of the measures of the EFCC and the country to sanitize the country's financial system. He tok dis one while he tok to some pipo after one closed door meeting wey don get with oga bubu for State House on the 16th of March 2021. The EFCC oga point out to say dis action of declaring assets by bank workers e dey aimed at ensuring say the country dey free of financial crimes. He say dem also wan block some kind loopholes there wey be say some kind wuruwuru people for the financial sector dey use take dey collect money for inside there, the Nigerian economy through money laundering and illegal money flow. The oga chairman of the EFCC tok say dem dey do everything for wey be their best to ensure say the country dey free of financial crime. He say dem also understand say the tail end of every financial crime na for the criminal to get access to the fund wey be say he or she don illegitimately collect, and he say dem dey worried about the roles wey be like say these financial institutions dem dey play for inside this thing. He say dem hope say all the financial institutions, particularly the bankers, go declare their assets as provided by the law in accordance with the Bank Employee Declaration of Assets Act, and say the EFCC by 1st of June go demand for this asset declaration form wey be like say all the bankers go fill, so that the line wey be say dem don draw from the 1st of June, bankers go really comply, and those wey not comply with am go get wahala. It also for section 1 of the Bank Employees ECT Declaration of Assets Act 1986, e say make am dey mandatory for every employee of the bank to make full disclosure of their assets upon employment and every year for the subsequent years wey be like say dey work for inside the bank. He say the law under section 7 subsection 1 tok say na offence for any employee of any bank to own assets in excess of his legitimate known and provable income, and the penalty for the violation of this act as a talker for section 7 subsection 2 include imprisonment for a term of 10 years. Any employee wey dey guilty of the offence under subsection 1 of this section shall be convicted and be liable to imprisonment for 10 years, and shall in addition forfeit the excess and its equivalent in money to the federal government. In case you don't forget, we bring you one news what I will like say oga bubu take change the chairman of EFCC from oga magu to oga bawa, and they put am for February 16, 2021, and the National Assembly come confirm oga bawa as the head of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission on the 24th of February 2021. The EFCC oga boss don meet oga presido for the second time since im appointment in the last few weeks dem, and e got reveal say im don update oga bubu on the ongoing reforms wey be like say the commission dey carry out. Now dem dey tok say make all bank employees include those wey dey work as bankers and those wey dey work inside the bank, including their drivers, their cleaners, make dem declare their assets, say because e dey according to the law. Now e tok say if dem no declare their assets, they go enter wahala. And if you declare your asset, you go supposed to dey update your asset declaration every year, and you not supposed to get pass wetin you declare or wetin pass your salary. Now, according to this Bank Employees Declaration Act, Access Act for 1986, employees wey dey expected to declare their assets include board members of the bank, managing directors, general managers, clerk, cashiers, messengers, cleaners, drivers, and any other category of workers, whether part-time, casual, or temporary, inside the bank. Oga Bawala for a statement tok say no matter how much a person make illegitimately, if e no fit access the money through bank, that mean say that money no go fit collect am. E say make e just put this more for understand say at the tail end of every financial crime, na wetin e talk. E say na for the criminal to have access to the fund wey be say he or she don illegitimately get, and say dem dey worried about the role wey say these financial institutions dey play. Well, to a very large extent, e dey correct, because some kind money be like say dem move na through bank, dem take dey move the money, you get, and if the people no fit access the money, that mean say problem go dey, that money go just hook for there. But the thing now when I come dey really see for this matter now be say dem dey say make dem declare their asset, make dem declare their asset. What about the other people that be like say they do all this wuruwuru dem, wey be like say, you know, say for this Nigeria, some people dey above the law. Make we not pretend for inside this matter. Now for this country, that would say some people they withdraw money on Sunday. Yeah. So people go dey their house, they go call bank, they'll go open bank on Sunday because of the carry money call give them. All those kind of people who call. Now bank workers wey dey earn how much with their salary? Say some of them are 50,000, some of them are 30. Cleaner, how much be cleaner salary? 20,000, 30. Minimum wage na 30,000. Someone just say minimum wage 30,000 for anybody they work for bank. They still say make they call declare their assets. Now wow, the thing e get as e be. Well, now they never ever, the thing they launch, but they never ever enforce am before. And Nigeria know say the Code of Conduct Bureau now they vested with the power to oversee the process. But for 2016, due to the rising cases of fraud for inside the banking sector, the federal government don also ask bank workers to declare their assets, although they never fully enforced that law before. One senior bank officer, wey not gree talk im name, e tok say for your organization, they don't always comply. You understand that they always comply. Say, but you notice say the enforcement of the act go work. So who don't ever come to confirm what they declare? Good question. You go fill everything for your form, you submit am. You see, when I don't ever carry the form, can't even really check see what you talk for the form na true. Well, where they also they talk about the matter, one Lagos-based lawyer, where they call Effiong, they also say this particular act is more or less a dead letter law because it has never been properly enforced. According to the guy, it also for they more appropriate if the directive they come from CBB, not from EFCC. EFCC, Economics and Financial Crimes Commission, CBB, Code of Conduct Bureau. Say since na Code of Conduct Bureau, CBB, now be the most relevant legal institution where they empower to receive asset declaration forms and to enforce compliance. The guy also say if EFCC chairman they really serious about fighting corruption, say he go make he pay greater attention to corrupt politicians where they steal public funds mindlessly. Say if asset declaration they take am seriously, say most Nigeria public officers, particularly political office holders, say they go enter jail one time and they don't go come outside for a very long time. The lawyer also expressed doubt about the EFCC technical capacity to receive asset declaration forms from all the bank employees. It just be like say this oga lawyer, now my mind that the guy talks so. They never ever fully enforce this law. Now they want to enforce it, they say na for bank body. I mean, I know say na Code of Conduct Bureau, CBB, now they always declare for this asset declaration form for Nigeria. I never ever hear say EFCC they do this kind of thing. And also this guy na new chairman of EFCC, he blood the oath, you understand? He won't fight corruption. Yeah. Like what did this lawyer talk? Make him face the right, now the wrong set of people in the face. Make him face the right set of people. Get the people that say they control these banks. Forget all those people they work for cashier. I don't say they do 1 or 2 picky once in a while. All those on banks, they always catch them. Banks even get their own internal security system until they catch all these people. Make EFCC focus their attention on the right source, on the right people. May not like say they want victimize some people, they leave the main people like say they get the issue. You understand? That this whole thing now, say declare your asset, declare your asset. What if after I declare my asset finish, so kind money go enter my hand, say bank worker, God bless me, I go buy wetin my salary not even reach based on say the money dey. The court say I thief the money. That what they try talk now. If you get it dey above your income, that means say you go talk where you forget the money. You sef my people, chook your mouth inside this matter. How you see am? They don't want start to na bank body they want to get power and I say declare your asset, declare your asset, declare your asset. How you see this matter? Bankers supposed to declare their assets or not? Chook mouth put for the matter. Drop your comment for the comment section. We go dey listen and to read your comment. This na still DJM TV daily news update. Make you not forget to subscribe abeg and to touch the notification bell so that you go dey part of this our big family. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also for TikTok at DJM TV. You fit still place your advert with us and you go dey rest assured say your product there go reach the desired market. Well, until we call your way again with another edition, my name still remain Lauru Favor.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.